Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with two essentials, a clear performance goal and usable gear. Decide now, live versus studio, and commit. Connect guitar to amp, plug mic to the interface, open your DAW, and load a click at 120 BPM. Once done, tune every instrument to a equals 440 Hz and check levels with short strums. Make sure to save a session template, because repeating settings wastes time. This gets you into the song quickly and keeps focus on the musical choices, not troubleshooting. Now build structure and tone with purpose. Label markers for intro, verses, choruses, bridge, and outro so you can jump fast. Record a matte rhythm pass verse to lock groove. Once that exists, craft guitar tones, use overdrive for body, cleaner lead with slightly reduced gain, and EQ to clear the midrange. Then layer ambient pads and percussion, panning elements for space and setting reverb sends low to preserve clarity. Keep listening. Small tweaks at this stage determine the final energy and cohesion. To finish, focus on balance and transportability. Set relative levels so vocals and lead sit above rhythm, apply subtractive EQ to remove masking frequencies, and add gentle compression, about 2:1 on guitars for consistency. Once mixed, automate volume rides through dynamic sections and tighten tempo using subtle quantize only where needed. Bounce stems and export a stereo master at recommended headroom. If something goes wrong, check the saved session template and isolated stems first. Restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.